Here is how to delete a Wise virtual card, step by step. Begin by logging in to your Wise account. Enter your account details and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu where Wise keeps the main account sections. From there, click Cards to open the area where your physical and virtual cards are listed. When the Cards page opens, find the virtual card you want to remove and select it. If you have more than one card showing, take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct virtual card before you continue. The card details page will show options related to that specific card. After selecting the card, scroll down through the card settings until you reach the Manage Card section. This section contains the controls for actions that affect the card itself. In that area, click Delete Card. This starts the permanent removal process for the virtual card you selected. As soon as you click Delete Card, a confirmation window will appear on screen. Wise uses this message to make sure you understand what is about to happen. The notice explains that deleting the card cannot be undone. That means this specific virtual card will be removed permanently rather than paused or temporarily disabled. Before moving forward, review the message so you are clear that you are deleting the right card. If you are sure you want to continue, click the red Delete Card button in the confirmation window. This final click confirms the action and tells Wise to remove the card from your account. Once selected, the deletion happens immediately. After the card is deleted, it can no longer be used for payments. Any attempt to use that virtual card after deletion will not go through because the card no longer exists in your Wise account. This is worth keeping in mind if the card was linked to any subscriptions, online checkouts, or saved payment methods. The key point here is that the deletion is permanent for that card and the card stops working right away. If you need a virtual card again later, you can return to the Cards section and create a new one there. That gives you a fresh virtual card for future purchases, separate from the one you just removed. The deleted card itself cannot be restored, so creating a new card is the path forward if you want to use a Wise virtual card again at another time. Thank you for watching. Your Wise virtual card has now been permanently deleted and can no longer be used for payments.